The Dodge HEMI Hellcat 6.2-liter Supercharged V8 is one of the most iconic American performance engines of the modern era. Introduced in 2015, this powerhouse quickly became famous for delivering between 707 and over 1,000 horsepower, depending on the application. Found in vehicles such as the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, and Ram 1500 TRX, the Hellcat engine combines traditional HEMI architecture with a massive supercharger and forged internals. Despite its several recurring problems and weaknesses have become. The Hellcat's foundation is extremely robust. It features a cast iron block, forged steel crankshaft, forged connecting rods, forged pistons, sodium-filled exhaust valves, and a high-capacity cooling system. When properly maintained, many examples exceed 100,000 miles without requiring major internal repairs. Unlike many highly boosted engines, catastrophic bottom-end failures are relatively uncommon on stock-powered vehicles. However, the tremendous power output places significant stress on supporting systems, creating several reliability concerns that owners should understand. One of the most common Hellcat-specific problems involves wear of the supercharger nose drive bearings. The factory 2.4-liter IHI twin-screw supercharger spins at extremely high speeds and generates substantial heat. Over time, the bearings inside the snout can wear, producing a noticeable rattling, grinding, or chirping noise, especially during idle. In early stages, the engine may continue operating normally, but ignoring the issue can eventually lead to supercharger damage. Replacement bearings or complete snout rebuild kits are commonly used repairs. Vehicles subjected to frequent drag racing, aggressive pulley upgrades, or extended high RPM operation tend to experience accelerated bearing wear. Another frequent complaint is deterioration of the supercharger isolator coupler. This component connects the drive pulley to the supercharger rotors and absorbs vibration during operation. As mileage accumulates, the coupler can develop excessive play, creating a distinct knocking or rattling sound at idle. The issue is generally more annoying than dangerous, but excessive wear can affect supercharger performance and drivability. Because the Hellcat relies heavily on forced induction, intake air temperature management is critical. The liquid-to-air intercooler system can occasionally develop leaks in the heat exchangers, coolant lines, or intercooler bricks. Reduced cooling efficiency causes intake temperatures to rise significantly under hard acceleration. High intake temperatures trigger power reduction strategies within the engine management system. In severe cases, prolonged heat exposure can increase stress on ignition components and contribute to detonation-related concerns. Although not universal, some Hellcat engines develop higher than expected oil consumption. The problem is often linked to aggressive driving habits, elevated crankcase pressure under boost, and normal wear of piston rings or valve seals. Owners who frequently exploit the engine's full performance capabilities may notice measurable oil loss between service intervals. The Hellcat's extreme cylinder pressures place significant demands on the ignition system. Spark plugs generally require replacement more frequently than those in naturally aspirated HEMI engines. Misfires under boost are often traced to worn spark plugs, improper plug gaps, or aging ignition coils. Modified vehicles running increased boost pressure are particularly susceptible to ignition-related issues. Neglecting routine spark plug maintenance can result in hesitation, rough operation, reduced power, and check engine lights. Like other modern HEMI engines, 6.2 developed the infamous HEMI tick. This ticking noise may originate from fuel injectors, exhaust manifold leaks, hydraulic lifters, or valve train components. While injector noise is generally harmless, some cases have involved premature lifter wear. Actual lifter failures are less common in Hellcats than in lower output HEMI variants, partly because the engine uses stronger internal components. Producing more than 700 horsepower generates tremendous heat. Although the factory cooling package is extensive, cooling system components operate under heavy loads. Water pumps, thermostats, electric cooling fans, and coolant hoses experience increased wear over time. Vehicles operated in extremely hot climates or used frequently for racing experience coolant temperature fluctuations during demanding driving conditions. The Hellcat's high-output fuel system works near its limits, even in stock form. Fuel pumps and injectors, aftermarket tuning, or increased boost levels can experience fuel delivery issues. Inadequate fuel supply under heavy load creates potentially dangerous lean conditions that can damage pistons and valves. For this reason, Hellcat engines are highly dependent on premium fuel and proper maintenance of the entire fuel system. One of the biggest threats to Hellcat reliability is not the engine itself, but owner modifications. Smaller supercharger pulleys, aggressive ECU tuning, nitrous systems, and increased boost pressure can dramatically increase cylinder pressure and thermal stress. Stock Hellcat internals are remarkably strong, but heavily modified engines frequently experience piston damage, head gasket failures, ringland cracking, transmission stress, and driveline failures. Many horror stories associated with Hellcats involve modified vehicles rather than factory stock examples. The Dodge HEMI Hellcat 6.2 Supercharged V8 is surprisingly reliable considering its extraordinary power output. Its forged internals and heavy-duty construction make it one of the strongest factory performance engines ever installed in a production vehicle. However, owners should pay close attention to supercharger bearing wear, coupler deterioration, intercooler issues, oil consumption, ignition system maintenance, cooling system health, and potential valve train noise. With regular servicing, premium fuel, and sensible operation, the Hellcat engine can provide many years of reliable high-performance driving while delivering the brutal power that made it legendary.